everyone, welcome back on my channel Lesson Plan Corner. Today in this video we will see how to make lesson plan and topic is fabric to fiber. This is for class 7th, okay? So in this video we will see how to make sample of lesson plan. If you are doing b.ed, then this lesson plan would be really helpful for you all. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe, because on my channel you will get b.ed related video as well as PDF also. So if you need the PDF of this lesson plan, then please do comment me in the comment section below. I will provide you PDF also for this lesson plan. Now let's see how to make a lesson plan. This is science lesson plan. Okay, here you can see format. Name of school, class, we have to mention all this, date, subject, topic. Topic is fabric to fiber, right? Okay. Now for previous knowledge. So for previous knowledge we have to write what students are aware of, already aware of. So here students are aware of different types of fibers that we obtain from plants. They are aware of like cotton and other simple thing that is very common. So they are aware of that. General aim to let them know what is the process of making fiber that we use to make silk cloth or woolen cloth. So our aim means what we want to teach to them. We want to basically tell them the process of making fibers that that we wear, like a cloth or woolen cloth. So we are going to tell them what is the process of making all this. Specific objective. So for specific objective you have to write the same thing, like to enable the students to understand the process of making fibers and to tell them about different types of fibers. Okay, teaching aids you can see here. So whatever teaching aids we are going to use, we have to write all those things. Okay, now let's see introduction question. Introduction question is really difficult part of a lesson plan. So for lesson plan, for our introduction question, we have to like add question. We have to we have to write list of question, and list of question should not exceed 5. Means maximum question should be 5. Here you can see, name some fabric that we obtain from plant. Then student will try to answer wool, silk. Which animal provides us fleece for wool and silk? Student will answer silkworm provides us silk and sheep. Yak provides us wool. Do you know which part of the sheep body yield fiber? Then student will answer student will answer sheep has it on their body. Are you aware how these fiber are converted into woolen yarn that is used to knit sweaters? Means basically we are trying to tell them, or we are trying to ask them question that do you know the process of all this making, like from fiber to fabric. Okay, student will answer no. Do you have any idea how silk fiber are made into silk, which is woven into saris? It would be problematic. Now statement of aim, like means we have to announce our topic and we also have to write on blackboard. Here you can see presentation 1. So we have to explain them everything and about like woolen and processing of fibers into wool. Here you can see our presentation 1. So we can write like this: step 1 shearing, step 2 scouring, step 3 sorting, step 4 picking out burrs, step 5 dyeing fibers, step 6 straightening, combing and rolling into yarn. Like this we have to like write in the presentation, and also we have to teach all these things to students very nicely. After explaining them properly, after teaching them properly, we have to like ask question related to that. Here you can see list of question. What do you mean by sharing? Why sharing is done? Usually in summer season. What do you, what do you mean by scoring? What is mean by sorting? Okay. Here you can see blackboard work. It is our blackboard work. Here you can see whatever is our whatever we want to teach to students, whatever we want to highlight, we can write it on the blackboard. Here you can see like this we have to make. Okay, now presentation 2. In presentation 2 we have to teach them about silk. Here you can see all about silk, from cocoon to silk. Here you can see all the content that we have to teach to students. After that we have to also ask a question related to that. Here you can see what do you mean by sericulture, what is mean by cocoon, name various types of silk, what is suitable temperature of storing silkworm eggs. And here you can see blackboard work. Okay, this is our blackboard work. Okay, recapitulation. So for recapitulation we have to ask whatever means we have taught to students. We can ask anything related to that. Here you can see what do you mean by sorting, what is burrs, what is mean by pupa, what do you mean by sericulture. Here you can see application and evaluation. The silkworm is dash. The process of taking out thread from cocoons for use as silk is called. A pile of dash is used for obtaining silk fibers. The most common silk moth is the dash silk. Here you can see home assignment. So for perfection of their knowledge, teacher has to give home assignment also to students. Okay, so this was my lesson plan on the topic fabric to fiber. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. We will meet in next video. Till then, bye and take care.